Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to stop your Android phone from turning off. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to know, you can't stop your phone from completely turning off, but there's other ways you can do to fix this. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the settings app on your phone, scroll down and click on display, and then where it says screen timeout, scroll down and click onto that. As you can see, I've got different options here from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. So I'm clicking 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, my screen will time out and lock. But it just all depends on your Android or Samsung device. It might say 30 minutes. It might say, there might be a slider that says slide to turn on to make your phone not turn off. And yeah, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.